In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the deck belt in a Ariens 46-inch 2-blade riding lawnmower. It's fairly easy to do. Really only need a 10mm socket and a ratchet and like a pry bar. You're pretty much good to go. The belt you're looking for is 105 3/4 inches long. I found it at Home Depot. It was only like 30 bucks. So I'll show you the part number and all that stuff here in a sec. And overall it'll only take about 15 minutes or so to change it out, and you can do it on the ground. You know, maybe less convenient, but you don't really need to jack it up or anything. The first step is to remove these plastic covers on both sides. So there's this one and that. On the other side there's two 10mm bolts holding them on. I've seen people just take off one 10mm bolt, slide off to the side. I don't think that really matters. I think it's just easier to replace the entire, just take the whole thing off. So let's do that. Alright, once you get those plastic guide shields off, you know, clear out any dirt and debris out of here. Now there's these prongs that help keep the belt on the pulley. Now, I made the mistake of trying to remove these on the other side because they're held in by these bolts. The bolt heads just broke off, so I would not suggest trying to do that. Basically, all you need to do is you're just going to use this pry bar to come in on the side and just pry them off enough where you can slip the belt up and off. Now we'll start working from the front. Because the belt is pretty old, it's pretty loose, so I can just slip it off the front drive here. There's a tensioner pulley. This is on the right side that you can push to help you get some additional slack in the system if you need it. But now that it's off that front, I can just pull this thing through. There's a couple of hooks right here on both sides that you just pull the belt out of, so you do that on both sides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook the other side. I'll start pulling the belt onto the right side here, and then I'm going to pry this loose, pry this prong away from the pulley, and then have the belt off. So on the left side, you can see I don't have the prongs. Normally the prongs would be sticking up here and on the other side, but one nice thing is there's a diagram that shows you how the belt runs. So use that as a reference. If you don't, you can look at this one here, but we'll need that a little bit more as we put the belt on. So then I'm going to slip this belt off. I unhooked from the hook up here. There's this pulley right here that has to come around, and now I'll pull the belt through on the other side. So both the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley have these metal keepers here. You just have to pull back a little bit to get the belt off around them. You can see this one back here, and then this one has two, but they're pretty flexible. So just that note right there. Now I have the belt pretty much pulled out. It's just on this pulley here. Again, I'll go in with the pry bar just on the bottom side here, pull this away, and I can't do it with one hand, and I'll be able to get enough clearance to pull the belt out. It probably doesn't matter what side you start on. I started on the right side. So I got the belt around the drive. I looped it up over this hook. I'm about to start feeding it across, one half across to the other side, and getting it into the tensioner pulley. But first I'll go to the other side and pull it over so that's mostly over there, and get it hooked around that far pulley. And then I'll come back to this side and start working the belt back on. But it's pretty easy. So the back of the belt goes here, and then it comes around on this side. It does the same thing on the other side. It's symmetrical, so it's pretty straightforward. All right, just make sure that you get the belt on the inside of these little keepers, both on the tensioner pulley side and on the idler pulley side. The belt is already looped around the far blade drive pulley. So all I have to do now is use the pry bar to pry this open and get the belt on. Alright, now that the belt is on, basically you just want to check to make sure you didn't get any twists in it, that it's on the correct side of all these keepers. So on both of the blade drive pulleys, on the tensioner pulley here, on the idler pulley on the other side, it's through the hooks here. It's going around that pulley properly. So I got a little bit of looseness on the back side here. That's pretty normal, and should be good to go. So now we just got to put the plastic covers back on, and away we go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you very much.